Yo! I'm gonna push. Boobies. You know what it is. So, here's my setup to ride in the rain. I have the jacket, yeah. I have the pants, and the most important thing, Havaianas. Yes, Brazil is saving the day. All right, so I had a couple of mechanical issues. My pedal fell off, the right one. Don't know how, it just came loose. But also I don't have the tools for that because it needs something that reaches inside the pedal, and I don't have that. But I managed to fix it. I used my pocket knife, and there was a blade on it that is exactly the right thickness, so I can like wedge it inside the pedal, well, between the pedal and this nut that I had to put on. So I wedged it inside and I had to spin the pedal, and it tightened, so that's fixed. Also my bottom bracket came loose. I guess I have tools for that. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to take it out and put it back together. Yes. Hello. What are you doing? Wow. So majestic. Oh, you're tired. Aww. So, I've been riding silently for hours. I didn't say a word and I didn't even notice. So I just like had to check if I can still talk. And I could. Very nice. I just have to say one thing that is super amazing. The Austrian drivers are so much better, so much nicer than the Hungarians. Wow. Like, they're so considerate. They leave space, they don't speed. It is amazing. Like in Hungary, when I had to ride on roads, I had the fear of death. And here is so chill. Super nice, super nice. This is the smallest helipad ever. Slovenia. When I'm going this way. Adratskerburg. Are you okay? What's happening? Brother. What are you doing? Ulsbach. Yo! So I have a choice right now. I could go to Unterpurkla or to Gech und Radvebrücke bridge. I think I'm gonna go to the bridge. I'm not gonna see Gech und Radvebrücke because I'm going that way. Ah, so beautiful. Look at this place. It's called Mühlbach. Haha, funny number. Schwarzaubach. Country number 3. Yes. Hello from Slovenia. Yesterday, I think around 4 or 5, I crossed over, and it hasn't been a very nice experience so far. I don't know what else will happen, what else Slovenia has to offer, but this first day it wasn't so nice. At least the ride from the border to Maribor was like 50 kilometers, and there are literally no bike lanes. So I don't know, a lot of time I was very confused and I didn't know where to go. Drivers were not nice. They like went really close to me, and I think they even sped up when they like saw that there's a cyclist, so I'm just gonna fucking speed up. I don't understand. I really don't get it, but that's what it seemed like. Anyway, I got to a camping. The lady there was really nice, actually, the receptionist. I was supposed to pay like 15 euros and I gave her 20 and she gave me back a 10. She was like, yeah, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. So I stayed there for 10 euros. That was super nice. Yeah, and actually since I left Maribor, I'm like 10 kilometers away from there. It has been okay. It has been a lot better than yesterday. Drivers were nicer. Yeah, like they gave me space. They didn't speed up. Yeah. And there are actually some bike lanes. I'm actually on one right now. I just came off to the side to film this because it's next to a busy highway, so it's pretty loud. Yeah, it is going to rain today. I don't know when, but it will for sure. And I have another problem that I want to talk about. is the fucking snails, bro, or more specifically the slugs. They love my tent. They fucking love it. Like every day when I wake up, I see slugs just on the side of the tent, and they poop on it. I have to clean fucking snail poop off my tent every morning, and it is not fun. Yeah, so I just wanted to complain about that. Yeah, that's it. If you're wondering what it smells like, cow shit. So I have left Eurovelo because it was just shit, honestly. It was so bad. Like, I was riding next to fucking 18-wheelers, these huge trucks, buses, cars going by me like a fucking I don't know, like 100 super fast. I was just riding in this much space in the gutters. It was bad. So I looked it up on OpenCycle map. I'm not sure which one is the correct address, and I found another route. There's like a bike lane or route, or like a route. Wait, and it goes kind of the same way. So I'm gonna end up in Ljubljana. I don't know how to say that. Yeah, just in a different way, but we're gonna get there. It's just a much nicer, calmer road. You know, there are basically no cars. Really nice mountains, super nice views, just like behind me. Such a relief, really. Like leaving that road has been the best decision. Leaving that road has been the best decision I've made this whole trip. I don't know what's going on with Eurovelo. I think it's Eurovelo 9, but it sucks. It sucks. So I'm just gonna continue here, and I don't know. I will check in if something happens. Oh my god. Fuck. We've been climbing for like a good 30 minutes or so. Oh fuck. I don't have service, I don't have internet, so I can't even check anything. Anything really. So I'll just keep going. I have made it to Trešnice. I don't know how to pronounce these names, man, but it's somewhere up in the mountains. I just climbed the mountain like 500-600 meters tall, something like that. I think I'm gonna go down now. I have to check the map. How are you? Smell something. You smell food? Yeah, I know. Hello. Yeah. How are you? Good. Yes. Everybody okay? You too? Yeah? Alright. I'm gonna keep going. Yeah. I have a hill to climb. Super steep. I know. It's not gonna be fun. Alright. See you later. Bro, this is the first bike lane in like, I think 80 kilometers. The first one. It is crazy. I mean, I know I'm going on the sidewalk right now, but anyway, I'm glad to be separated from the cars. That's all. So I'm pretty much at the halfway point from Ljubljana to Trieste, I don't know how to say it, in Italy. And I just want to say that I'm so fucking proud of myself for finding this route, because it's been so hard in Slovenia. Oh, there's a hill coming up. I have to stop. Just like dealing with cars and stuff, And last night I spent like an hour just looking for the best ways to go around busy roads, I don't know. And it's been working out amazingly today. It's been so nice. So I'm glad, and I'm also doing really good with time. So I think I should be in Italy in like 2 hours, something like that. And that would be amazing. Yeah, that's it. What a beautiful sight. Wow. Wow. Very tempting, man. Should I go through? Nah. The mighty Po River. I guess I will talk to the camera a bit. I think I haven't recorded anything besides just little snippets since I left Slovenia, and I'm like 60 something kilometers away from Bologna. So it's been a while, huh? Let me see what happened. So I crossed the border and I was going down on the, I'm gonna stop. I was going down on this Roman era really shitty road to the city, and that took like an hour. It was horrible. And then I hung out in the city a little bit, but it was super busy. It was carnival time. Yeah, and then I kind of started to panic because there were no really good camping spots or hostels really. The cheapest hostel was 65 euros. I'm not gonna pay that much for a hostel. So yeah, I found one campsite that was like an hour away according to Google, and I was like, okay, I guess that's my only chance, so I'm gonna go there. And then stupidly I listened to Google. I followed the way, and it took me through this super horrible dirt road through the woods. I don't know what that was, but it was super bad. Yeah, I got to the campsite at like 9:30 at night. Yeah, from there it was kind of okay, pretty smooth. I met another cyclist. We rode together for like an hour or two. And yeah, I was just going around these rivers and lots of bridges, lots of busy highways. That was not fun. And I don't remember what happened. Oh yeah, I found a campsite that was like reggae themed. I don't know. It was kind of interesting. Yeah, the owner told me that they had a party the night before I arrived, so I just missed it. Yeah, that's my luck. And yeah, nothing really happened there. Saw a bunch of bugs, spiders, things like this, and then left the next morning. What is that? And where did I go? Yeah, I was just following the coast. I went towards Venice. I found a campsite there. It was super fancy, super expensive. It was like fucking 30 euros, 31. It was raining a lot. And yeah, then I left that morning. That was yesterday. Yeah. And I had to take 2 ferries to get to Venice. Again, pretty expensive. Yeah, it was like 24, something like that, to get there. And then right when I arrived to the island, you know, where Venice is, it started pouring rain. Like right at that minute. So that was bad. It rained for a couple of hours. Stopped a couple of times, but I mostly rode through it, and that was a bad idea. All my clothes got wet, like everything inside the bag. Yeah, it was bad. And what happened? Then the rain stopped, yeah. And then I rode to Padua and found another hostel there. It was again super fancy. And again, like 30 euros. But I just wanted to rest, take a shower, dry my clothes, things like this, you know. They ended up not having a dryer, so I used the hair dryer that they had in the bathroom. So I stood there like fucking 2 hours, like woo, drying my clothes. But it ended up working out, kind of. So yeah, I left in the morning expecting rain, and now it's sunny. So I'm not sure what's happening with the weather, but it's okay, I'm not complaining. What else? I changed my route yet again, because yesterday I was thinking that I was just gonna go west instead of going south as I originally wanted to. Yeah, so I wanted to go west yesterday, and today I decided that I'm gonna go towards Bologna and just cross the mountains there and go towards Pisa down to the coast, and then I can just follow the coast all the way to France. Ciao, and way home. My first time on a dam. Look at that. I made it to the Mediterranean, so from here I'm just gonna be following the coast. So cool. Allergies over, I hope. I see. I will get a rolling shot here, but I have broken my tripod, so not for a while.